Morning! I'm here at Textbook Patisserie in Sydney! I'm so excited because this place looks amazing. And I'm going to meet the baker behind these amazing bakes, John. So why don't you join me? Hi John.
How are you?
So John, how long have you been doing this?
Pastry in general?
Yes, pastry in general.
15 years maybe?
And it's all very seasonal, is it?
Yeah, whatever's in trends. If there's a trend going, we'll try to put it into a croissant. So these will be for tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll fill with probably a strawberry crumb pat.
Oh my god.
So they'll go into the prover kind of now at a certain temperature. It'll kick in about midnight, 1 o'clock, and be ready to go in the oven around about 4 a.m.
Amazing.
So there, you see all the lamination there. The most important touch.
I know, this is beautiful.
Just so it doesn't move at all.
Okay.
And then we'll put into the prover.
Okay.
And it'll have time to slowly kind of go naturally. We'll put it in now. It's quite warm out here, so it's starting to warm up on the bench already.
So John, thank you so much for your time. I'm going to go and try some of the bakes I can see from there. And they all look very, very interesting. But I am a bit sad I couldn't try the pastry that you've just rolled. I might come back.
I can send you some photos tomorrow if you don't make it.
Photos. But yeah, thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
I really appreciate it. And I'm just going to show you a bit more around the shop and more bakes.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. The passion fruit filling, the biscuit base, such an amazing cheesecake. Delicious. Oh, it's good. It's just the perfect amount of chocolate. It's just amazing. I've tried a few things today and I've loved every bit of it. Only thing I'm sad about is I don't get to taste what I've just seen him roll out, the croissant, and something to try for next time. So if you are in Sydney, then you must check out this place, the Textbook Patisserie. And John is doing amazing work here. It was really nice to meet him and see him in action. Yeah, I've loved it. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you next week again. I'm going to go dig into my coffee before it gets cold. Bye!